Hello and welcome back to Schematic World, and today we'll be discussing the success story of Tesla. If you're new to this channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you never miss an update. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. For years, the US car market included electric vehicle manufacturers like Ford and Chevrolet. The company that stood out of all odds in this car maker mix was Tesla Motors. Tesla gained the spotlight back in 2013 when its CEO Elon Musk first unleashed Tesla's flagship car, the Model S. The release of Tesla had been widely popular with car buyers, and it was also successful in catapulting the company to be recognized as one of the few independent automakers, alongside being a pioneer when it came to the production of fully electric vehicles. At $69,000, the Model S received top rankings from the trade industry and the press media alike. Reviewers like Car and Driver had graciously rated the vehicle with 5 stars when the Model S debuted in 2013. At that point of time, Tesla had made it to the front page of every major press releases. Consumer Reports also ranked the vehicle at an astonishing 99 out of 100, giving it the title of the best car ever tested. The year 2014 saw the vehicle to break all record sales with around 2,500 units sold. By Q1 of 2015, the figures had skyrocketed to a whopping 10,030 units. With that, it is no surprise that the Model S was considered a natural choice by the consumers within the electric vehicle market. As of May 2015, Tesla had recorded a market capitalization of $32.3 billion. Most people had thought of Tesla as an overnight success story. However, that wasn't the situation. Tesla was founded way back in 2003 by two of Silicon Valley's engineers, Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, who wanted to drive home the fact that electric cars could be better than gasoline-powered cars. History. The history of the company goes back to 1993 when Tarpenning met Eberhard, who worked at Wise Technology, and soon to see, they bonded on their friendship. Both of the friends had a lot in common, including a knack for entrepreneurship. Novo Media, a product of this friendship, was soon launched and released its very first ebook in 1998. The incline towards automobile started when Eberhard suffered a divorce and soon after that decided to buy a sports car. Later on, Eberhard invested in boutique automaker AC Propulsion, and that is when he started to consider the market opportunities. Elon Musk came into the picture when the two friends heard Musk at a society talk at Stanford University, where the three of them introduced themselves to each other. Musk already had a successful history back then with entrepreneurship, one of which was PayPal. After a huge round of success for the young entrepreneur, PayPal was sold off to eBay in 2002, following which Musk started SpaceX. SpaceX was primarily devoted to designing, manufacturing, and launching advanced rockets and spacecrafts. A few years after the first meet between the three, they once again crossed paths when Eberhard and Tarpenning saw the right opportunity to introduce their idea of an electric vehicle to Musk. Finally, Tesla was incorporated in 2003 with the mission of making beautiful and powerful electric vehicles that had zero emissions. The board included other co-founders such as J.B. Strabuel, who still happens to be the CTO of the company till date, and Ian Wright, who had left Tesla in 2004 to go on to start his own company, Wright Speed. Later, in 2004, the board went through stages of investment through venture capital firms. Musk joined the company as the head of the board of directors after he led the initial round of funding. Who is Elon Musk? Elon Musk, as we know today to be the face and skin of Tesla Motors, is quite sometimes mistaken to be the company's founder or co-founder. Musk is originally South African born Canadian American who is a trained engineer. During his education days, Musk earned a dual Bachelor of Science in Physics and Economics from the University of Pennsylvania. Musk was always an inventor and an entrepreneur from heart. In 1995, Musk dropped out from Stanford Applied Physics PhD program to guide his efforts in building and structuring renewable energy and outer space works. Musk launched a series of small but successful companies, which also included the online publishing company Zip2. Out of the revenue from those companies, Musk started X.com, which was an online bank that was later acquired by Confinity, and soon after this company that became PayPal. PayPal instantly took off and was later purchased by eBay in 2002, where Musk emasculated a whopping $165 million from stocks during that sale alone. With the fortune he had generated from his sale of PayPal, Musk went on to start SpaceX, which was a company dealing primarily in outer space exploration. After meeting Eberhard and Tarpenning, Musk went on to take the position as the head of board of directors for Tesla, where he played a vital role in helping the company raise money for investment. In 2004 and 2008, Tesla grew significantly and went on to develop its very first automobile, the Roadster. The company opened up its first manufacturing plant in Vermont, which was a 5.5 million square feet factory previously owned by Toyota and General Motors. The factory is known as NUMMI and included two paint facilities alongside a 1.5 mile of assembly line. Musk later on went to become the company's CEO and product architect. Tesla launched its first car, the Roadster, when Car and Driver wrote, "It's not just a car, but one of the strongest automotive statements on the road." The executive summary for the car stated that the company had always been focused on the mechanics as well as the design of the vehicle. Going from 0 to 60 miles an hour in less than 3.9 seconds was defined as high performance in the same executive summary. The summary also added zero maintenance for up to 100,000 miles other than tires. What now? Tesla till date focuses on creating electric cars alongside manufacturing EV powertrain systems and components. As of today, the company has more than 80 stores and galleries across North America, Europe, and Asia, and over 100 charging stations in the US alone. Tesla has been focusing on the trademark, one product at a time. Tesla still focuses on making the Model S their flagship vehicle. They have also ventured into different segments of vehicles to expand its customer base. A good example of this would be the Model X SUV, which started production in the early 2015. In order to cater a wide consumer base, keeping the lineage of the Model S alive, Tesla experimented with the Model E, starting just at around $40,000, which was essentially a cheaper model of the Model S for a much cheaper price. Tesla has expanded its manufacturing footprint in the Netherlands and Lathrop, California to stay competitive in the niche market. In order to keep costs down on lithium-ion battery packs, Tesla, alongside with Panasonic, built a gigafactory in Nevada. which caters to the mass market affordable vehicle, the Model 3. In today's time, the electric car market is rapidly growing into luxury automakers such as Mercedes Benz and BMW entering the space as well. Analytics and databases confirm that the total sale of electric vehicle in 2004 was 320,000 units, whereas in 2015 the figure smoothly existed 500,000. Tesla also reported on an aim to sell around 500,000 vehicles by the end of 2020. However, Adam Jonas, Morgan Stanley's auto analyst, predicted that the company would fall short of 40%. Tesla's long term success is anyone's to guess at this point of time. As with business and life, there are no guarantees. Tesla did pioneer its success after 17 years of its incorporation now in 2020. What doesn't change is the fact that Tesla till date remains the success story everyone shall talk about when it comes to electric vehicles. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to smash that like button down below and keep supporting me as always. With that, I will see you in the next one. Thank you.